Top leadership of the opposition India Bloc addressed a joint press conference at the Constitution Club on Monday afternoon following a high-stakes strategy meeting. The alliance announced a series of unanimous resolutions directly taking on the central government over election integrity, institutional failures and economic distress. In a major offensive, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge announced that the alliance is unanimously demanding the immediate resignation of Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, citing total mismanagement of the national examination system that has jeopardized the future of millions of students. Flagged by heavyweight opposition leaders including Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, Mamata Banerjee, Akhilesh Yadav and Tejaswi Yadav, Mallikarjun also revealed that 23 attending parties have agreed to jointly petition the Chief Justice of India. The memorandum will flag serious concerns over electoral processes under what the term special intensive revision to curb election malpractices. Furthermore, the front urged the centre to immediately call an all-party meeting to address the country's worsening economic situation and slow job generation.
Vote loot and stealing elections. The letter to be delivered to the Chief Justice of India very soon. Second point, it was unanimously agreed to demand the immediate resignation of the Education Minister because he presided over the betrayal of lakhs of youth who appeared for NEET and CBSE examination. Third point, the union government should immediately call an all-party meeting to discuss the precarious current economic situation, unemployment, price rise, and farmers' issue and other people-centric issues.
To maintain a rigid counter strategy, the alliance formalized a pact to meet once every 2 months alongside daily floor coordination committees inside the parliament. Pure report, Chini Khorang.